truly understand what people may say. They believe to think how we think is far from okay.
Right now is a humble beginning. This is where it started. This is where I was born and raised at 11th Street, Judson, Greenville, South Carolina.
Hey, Prince Redeem. Boy, I tried to tell them, but they ain't wanna listen. Now they wishing, but they missing on the meditated vision. I'm depicted, been afflicted, and practicing what I'm preaching. Thanking God, daily basis for giving me life and scriptures. Chosen for this mission, just use what I was given. Painting y'all a picture you will see by the time I'm finished. God, give me your spirit. Your voice, I wanna hear it. It's a purpose-driven life, so God, can you steer it? I don't need a double cup. On His word, I double up. This is kingdom language. You probably think I sound like Donald Duck. Not trying to run these commas up. No father when I was coming up. It's cold at the top. If you coming, better bundle up. God, please humble us. Answering your mandate. Speaking in the tongue, Rosetta Stone couldn't translate. Boy, let me dance. Wait, I told him God is real though. Wearing the boots of the gospel, no steel toes. Still though, the anointing's why I kill flows. Like laying hands on the sick, these haters who I feel for. Saving souls, for the kingdom run these numbers up. SC to Florida, teach you how to praise Columbia.